Hello everyone, I'm going to show today Telangana traditional rice flour snack Sarva Pindi. It tastes so yummy, comes out crispy on one side and soft on the other side. As you know, Sarva means round shaped utensil, Pindi means flour. It's made like a big pancake with rice flour, peanuts and sesame seeds etc. Usually many people shallow fry it with lots of oil for each Sarva Pindi. But I'm going to show a new and unique way with very less oil without compromising on taste. Stay tuned for my amazing tips throughout this video. Let's get started. First soak 1 tablespoon chana dal in hot water for 20 minutes or normal water for 1 hour. Chana dal adds nice crunch and taste to the dish. Let's dry roast sesame seeds and peanuts. Even with less oil in the dish, dry roasting enhances the flavor. Add 2 teaspoons sesame seeds. Roast on slow flame until splatter. In the same pan, dry roast quarter cup peanuts until roasted well. Keep tossing in the middle to avoid overburn. You can as well air fry these in air fryer. Check my videos from description for air fryer instructions. You can keep these roasted beforehand to save time. If you want, you can break peanuts into halves. Crush a little with ball. As peanuts peel is also nutritious, I'm going to add with peel. Now in a big bowl, add half a teaspoon chili powder, 2 finely chopped chilies. Or instead of chilies, you can add quarter teaspoon chili powder extra. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon cumin garlic paste. Mix them all once. Add quarter cup finely chopped onion. Mix onion with spices. You can mix onion with hands to ooze out the juice. With this binding, onions get enhanced taste. Of course, it's optional. Add half a teaspoon cumin seeds, spring onions, curry leaves, and coriander leaves. Mix all green leaves with rest of the ingredients. Instead of adding flour first, I'm going to add water. Add around 1 cup water. With water it's so easy to mix all ingredients well. Now add dry roasted peanuts, sesame seeds and soaked chana dal along with water. Mix once. Add 2 cups rice flour. Mix from bottom to top gently. So 2 cups rice flour needs around 2.5 cups water. Add remaining water and keep mixing. Here is the trick. Instead of making hard dough, I'm going to make batter. Hard dough needs lot of oil to cook, but batter doesn't. As you see, no need to knead at all. No use of hands either. It's so easy to mix with just spoon. This is the sarvapindi pan generally used for frying. Being aluminum, it needs much oil to keep non-sticky. But I'm going to use non-stick pan instead, as it needs very less oil. Add few drops of oil in non-stick pan. Spread oil with either hand or brush. Pour sarvapindi batter. Spread evenly with hand or ladle. Make as many holes as you wish. It's semi-loose batter, thus holes tend to seize back. Now turn on the stove to medium to high heat. You can add 1 to 2 drops of oil on each hole to fry nicely and cook with a lid. As you see, extra water from batter starts to evaporate. You can pour the steamed water on sarvapindi or sprinkle little water if it's drying too much. The whole surrounding area should turn brown color. Flip and check the color on back side. If it is not brownish yet, keep cooking for 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's done, turn off the stove and leave sarvapindi on hot pan for a minute. This way sarvapindi bottom side will be crispy and top side will be soft. If you don't like one side softer, flip the top side to stay on hot pan for a minute to get crispy on both sides. Most important, rest it for 2 to 3 minutes before serving. You'll be amazed with its perfect crispiness and taste. Here is my tip to save time. Instead of making one by one in the same pan, I'm going to use 2 pans. When first one is half done, start making second one in another pan. By the time first is done, second is half done. Meanwhile, first pan will get cooled and ready for reuse. So this way, no more waiting time. Multiple sarvapindis will be done quickly. If you notice the used pan, there won't be oil at all after making sarvapindi, nor on your hands while eating. This recipe yields 6 sarvapindi. If you have leftover batter, cover with lid and keep in fridge. Stays fresh for 1 to 2 days. If you have leftover sarva pindi, you can keep in hot pot. Microwave for 15 to 20 seconds before serving. Or you can keep on top of any hot curry bowl or rice bowl. Hope you like my tips and enjoy my less oil tasty sarva pindi. See you again with many more amazing healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.